This video reviews Apeaksoft MobieTrans, including its features, usability, and real-world performance. We'll also look at faster, more compatible, and cost-effective alternatives for smoother phone data transfer. Part 1. What is Apeaksoft MobieTrans? Apeaksoft MobieTrans is a desktop tool to transfer data between Android, iOS, and Windows PC. It supports photos, videos, music, contacts, messages, and more. It also includes tools like height conversion, ringtone maker, and contacts backup or restore. Part 2. Key features of Apeaksoft MobieTrans. Part 3 is Apeaksoft MobieTrans safe and easy to use. Safety. Apeaksoft MobieTrans is safe when downloaded from the official site or trusted sources. It runs locally to transfer data, but avoid unofficial downloads and only allow needed permissions. User Guide. Install and open Apeaksoft MobieTrans on PC. Connect phone via USB and allow permissions. Choose transfer or management mode. Select data and click transfer or export or import or delete. Part 4. Pros and cons of Apeaksoft MobieTrans. Part 5. Best replacement for Apeaksoft MobieTrans. A data transfer utility designed for Android and iOS devices, also supports computer connections, and MobieTrans transfer for mobile Windows Mac helps move contacts, messages, photos, music, and videos with ease. Quick user guide. Step 1. Connect your devices. Launch the installed software and connect both your old and new phones to your computer. Follow the on-screen instructions to ensure both devices are detected. Step 2. Confirm source and destination. Verify that your old phone is set as the source and your new phone as the destination. If they are reversed, click the flip button to swap them. Step 3. Select file types and click Start Copy to begin transfer.